Hello, this is Colin Ritchie of Ritchie Business Solutions. Let me talk with you for a minute about some opportunities for your law firm. Would you like to lift the profitability of your law firm? I think most smaller law firms do not make the sort of profits that adequately reward the principals of the firm for the skills, stresses, risk, time and effort, let alone the money you have invested in the firm. Thankfully, I've found that it can be relatively simple to address this issue and get you making the sort of profits that you should be. I've seen enough firms dramatically lift profits to know that the choice really is yours. Let me share with you what I consider the first principle of profit improvement for law firms, and that is understanding the principle of average hourly rate. So what is it? It's simply your billings divided by time spent. Let me show you an example. Say you had a client who had a bill of say $3,000 and it took you 10 hours to complete the work on that matter. Then the average hourly rate would be 3,000 divided by 10 equals $300. See, I told you it was simple, yet I've found that many firms do not measure this. The process of profit improvement then is to simply lift that average hourly rate. Now in many markets, to simply lift prices to achieve that increase in average hourly rate won't be an option, but there are many strategies to achieve an effective increase in your overall average hourly rate. Say you decided to lift profit at your firm by $100,000 per partner. That'd be pretty simple, right? So what would you need to do? At this point, most firms simply give up and accept poor profitability. Let me now express that profit increase in terms of average hourly rate and see if you're thinking a bit differently about it. Let me take an example of a two-partner firm with say 4 employed fee earners, but it would work for a firm of any size, either bigger or smaller. Let's say that firm wanted to lift profit by $100,000 per partner. What would they need to do? Answer: lift their average hourly rate by just $29 an hour. Now I made some simple assumptions for hours, and for you the figure may well be lower. Now if that was your firm, would you now be feeling differently about what you would need to do to make an extra $100,000? Why not start earning what you deserve? It really is your choice. You can start by contacting us today. Thank you for your time, and I trust that we've given you some ideas to unlock the profit at your law firm.